Hello everyone, welcome back to the Genomics Bootcamp. This video is part of the series where we discuss the most important R lines and R commands for genomic analysis. This is the first video, so we start with the most important R tool of all. And this is, of course, the hashtag or the comment lines. That's right. One of the most important habits you can learn is to comment your files and comment your scripts appropriately. And for this, we use the hashtag sign. Whatever you write after the hashtag sign, it will be interpreted as a comment line. So it will be actually not interpreted and not run by the program, but you will still obtain the information you as the observer or the person who is using the script. This is extremely important because, well, the scripts are not written for the computers, but they are written for people. So people need to understand what's going on in the script so they can run it or, if necessary, modify it. And when it comes to understanding the script, this includes your future self as well, because I can assure you, you write a script today, you will sort of know what's going on in it tomorrow or after that, but I am quite certain you will have a hard time to figure it out 2 weeks, 2 months, or maybe a year later. And for this, the comment lines are really, really necessary. The most common use of a comment lines could be as indicated here. So it could be standalone for some kind of a title or explaining pieces of the code as indicated here below. Also, the hashtag could be used within the line. So everything after the hashtag is a comment. So the first part of the line could be used for the code itself. When you write your comment lines, make sure that the information that it conveys is really useful for the reader. In case of a longer script, the hashtag signs also could be used as a neat divider to visually distinguish the parts of the script. For example, like this. In RStudio, there is one other functionality here. So if you click on this small button here, so the parts of or the lines between these long lines are temporarily hidden. If you want them back, you just click on this small arrow again. If you want, you can also create neat boxes like this to further visually distinguish the parts of the script. Here, the temporary hiding of the lines also work, so you can neatly hide the parts of the script that you are not interested in currently. If you do not want to delete some lines or even the whole sections of the script, you can just comment them out, so when you rerun the scripts, they are not executed. Of course, if you want to comment out many lines of the text, these might become cumbersome, so there is a very neat shortcut for this in RStudio. So you just highlight the rows that you want to comment out, you press Ctrl-Shift-C, and it's commented out in its entirety. If you want this section back, the same thing needs to be done. So basically, you highlight what you want to uncomment, Ctrl-Shift-C, and you have it back in its initial form. So I repeat again, using the comment lines is the single most important habit that you need to start doing when writing any kind of script. And this is not just for R, but really any kind of script that you write on a computer. Thank you very much for your time for this video, and see what are the other most important R commands for genomic analysis in the future videos in this series.